Hey y'all, it's Lacey Griniger with Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty. Today I am here in beautiful Harbor Club on Lake Oconee, and I can't wait to show you this amazing house located on the third hole of the award-winning Harbor Club Golf Course. Welcome to 1001 Pinehurst Drive. This property is over 5,000 square feet, which is comprised of 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and plenty of space for entertaining. Y'all come on in and take a look around. So welcome inside. Right here on the main level, we have the master bedroom, and I cannot wait to show you the newly renovated bathroom. It is to die for. But before we do that, let's check out the living room, formal dining / office, and this incredible huge kitchen. Here we are in this beautiful spacious kitchen where you'll find granite countertops, custom cabinetry, new appliances, and tons of space to entertain and feed all of the hungry mouths. Right off the kitchen here, you'll find a beautiful half bathroom, a spacious custom pantry, and I wish I could see your faces walking into this. Truly, it is a laundry room to die for. You have a second fridge here, ice maker sink, tons of room for your high-end washer and dryer, 2 closets, a really cool drop zone right here. I mean, there's a place for every single thing. I love it. Coming back through the kitchen, you're going to love the views of the golf course and the swimming pool from this amazing sunroom where there's plenty of room to relax or entertain, and it's still an open view to the kitchen and this amazing screen porch on the back of the house. I don't know about you, but if this were my house, you would be able to find me on this porch 24/7. You have access to the master bedroom off of this screen porch, so why don't we come on in and finally check out this master bathroom. All right, here we are in the master bathroom. Can you believe this? Your very own island in your bathroom. And look at this spacious counter space, plenty of cabinets, and it doesn't stop just here. Besides the dual vanities, you then come on to the bath area where you have a standalone soaking tub and this extremely spacious tiled shower. On the other side of this bathroom here, you'll find the walk-in closet with dual sides, and it has a custom closet system as well. You literally want for nothing in this suite. Down here on the terrace level, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms, all with their own ensuite bathroom, and each of the 3 bathrooms have recently been beautifully updated. Also down here on the terrace level, you'll find the secondary living space, complete with a theater room, wet bar, entertainment center, a second fireplace, and let's not forget these amazing views of the third hole of this award-winning golf course here at Harbor Club. Then, if you want to follow me out here to the second screen porch, this one's here off the terrace level, where you can do all sorts of entertaining and come right on out to this gorgeous pool. Well, that concludes today's tour of 1001 Pinehurst Drive in Harbor Club on Lake Oconee. For more information on this listing, please get in touch with me by visiting my website, lifesgoodonlakeoconee.com.